In this video, I will show you how to save an Evernote note as a PDF. Start by logging into your Evernote account. Once logged in, navigate to the note you want to save as a PDF. Click on the note to open it, and then click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the note window. From the drop-down menu, select the Print option. This will open the Print dialog box. In the Print dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Destination. Click on the drop-down menu next to Destination and select Save as PDF. This option allows you to save the note as a PDF file instead of printing it. Next, choose the location on your device where you want to save the PDF file. You can select a specific folder or save it to your desktop for easy access. Once you've selected the location, click Save. The note will be converted into a PDF and saved in the chosen location. Saving notes as PDFs is particularly useful for sharing information with others who may not use Evernote, and this is how you can save Evernote notes as PDFs.